So on this testing website, I'm going to show you how to add a picture in a Lightbox and why you should learn this. Now I thought about the functionality of this, how you can use it, and why you should learn how to add a picture in a Lightbox. Well, if you are actually an artist, a photographer, you can use Lightbox to display your image in a more like focused professional way. When visitors will click on your image, they'll open in a larger view, or in my case here, they'll open this button and then it's gonna open the Lightbox, right? Now you can also use Lightboxes for highlighting promotions, special offers, important content. For example, if you're running a sale, let's just think about this. If you're running a sale or yeah, a sale, you can use Lightbox to grab attention, to draw attention to a specific image or a message. So to actually, let me show you here. If I click on this Lightbox, now I will click on this Lightbox and this will open. Okay, so how to actually create this? It's very simple. So let's say I'm assuming that you don't know how to add a button, so I'll show you how to do this. You can skip this if you already know. I'm gonna click on this button, and then I was quite confused because there's times when I want to increase the title, and I increased already the box at the bottom, but I want to increase the title. So here we have design, we have custom design, and then we have text. From here we can actually increase the button size. We can go back here and change the color. I'll change to this red, and I'll actually change the the font to this one. And now I'll go here to corners and I'll enter here 8. Not 80, sorry, just 8. Or 14. Okay, now shadow, we're gonna click on here and change the, we can increase the blur, the style, a little bit of shadow. And now let me show you here on, you can also click on layout here and just move this, change the way you like. If you double click, you can open here, you can change the name. Okay, I can write here now. Okay, that's nice. Double click, it's what I like to do. I'll just like to double click and I can change the name here. I'll write here Lightbox. And then now here, this is, I'll just resize this. Thank you. And now here we have link. Here you're gonna have to choose Lightbox, and then here you're gonna have to, okay, I thought first why I can't find this one here, but instead of choosing here, which I already have so many, I can click on create new, create now one, and I'll select this one. It's gonna open now in Lightbox mode, and from here I can actually edit this, which I didn't, but you can choose a different Lightbox. I just used this one. And now here you can actually paste the video from your YouTube channel. Here's was the web address, and paste the video from your YouTube channel or from wherever you want. You can also edit this, just go back to link, Lightbox, and here we have too many. Now, what if you want to add delete one? You can also go here, and here you're gonna see the Lightboxes here, right? And if you go to pages and menu, here I have Lightboxes. I'm gonna click on, I have this one. You can actually, if you exit the Lightbox mode, you can go back here in the side pages and menu and go to Lightboxes and delete the Lightboxes you created. Or you can just go here to edit, select the Lightbox that you want to edit again. So now that's pretty cool. So let me just delete this Lightboxes here. Sorry. And I'll delete this one and this one. And I don't know why it's switching to side menu. Okay, now we don't have any lightbox, so I'll go back to, excuse me, 1 second, I'll go now to group here. And here I'll go to link lightbox, and then here there's no lightbox, or some other restaurant pages, but no lightbox. So I'll create a new one here, and as you can see, there's so many lightboxes. Here you have lightboxes for promotion, for welcome. And let me show you now for this one. And here you have the layout. I'll move it this here. And now here you have some text. You have some extra. If you don't want to delete them, you can, of course. And then here I can add an image. So I'll click on here and I'll look for image, upload image, and you can upload an image, or you can select an image or from Unsplash. And I'll go with this one. And now what's cool, I can resize this image. I'll position this image here. And what I found helpful, or not helpful, what I found interesting, which I didn't know, which can create very nice effects, is once you have this here, now it's going to open with the image inside this. So, which is, you know, pretty cool. And I found this very helpful. Manage light boxes. You can also set some triggers. You can design this. You can actually, you know, just edit this image if you want to. Maybe just want to quickly decrease the saturation. Well, you can do this. You don't have to move the image, save the image and go to a different Photoshop and then edit the image there. You don't have to. You can do it here, which is cool. And now let's actually test this. So, sorry. Let's click on, I'm gonna click on here, locate where I have my button. It's right over here. And now let's click on preview. And now I'll click on this lightbox. Think I didn't actually, let's go back here, lightbox, and is this main pages restaurant, which I didn't actually created that one. So hover boxes, you have so many of them here. So actually I will click on this one, and then here I'll add actually the image again. I'll add this image, resize the image. You also have some crops here. You can actually crop, which is pretty cool. This again, I think it can save you time. You have some different shapes, and also you can grab some shapes from here. Maybe you want this, maybe, you know. And yeah, that's this can be helpful. You can also click on the lightbox here and change the layout, as I said before. And now we can exit, and let's check if it actually connected. Lightbox, and then here we have the announcement and some other things. And let's say I'll connect this one, done, and preview. And now if I click this, it's gonna open this one. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.